Guys, and welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be a haul from Hot Miami Styles. So I've done hauls from Hot Miami Styles before and they just go so well. Like, the majority of the items just fit me in all the right places. So I've decided to do a fairly big haul for you guys today. So this is like a huge bag. Like, there is so much stuff in here. So I'm just going to jump straight to it. There's quite a range of items, so I hope you guys enjoy. The first thing I got is this gorgeous navy blue and white polka dot play suit. So just looks like this. The shorts are sort of like the stretchy high waist style and it's so vintage and pin-up style. I love it. And then the front of it it's a tie front and it just ties in the middle like so. I got it in a size small, so hopefully it'll fit. The ties look quite small if you look, like there's not tons of material to tie with, so hopefully they'll work. I think it'll be fine. It's lovely and stretchy. So I'll go pop this one on. So this is how it fits, and it does tie at the front. It's just a little bit on the tight side, but I feel like it works and it's not too bad. Really love the frilly sleeves here. It's a really comfortable thing to wear. Like, it's not too like tight anywhere to get on. It's just tying this up that was quite a bit of a task, but apart from that, once it's on, it's really cute. So no, I really like this. I think it'll look adorable with like white wedge heels in the summer, so definitely something I can see myself wearing. I think it's lovely, so really like this one. The next item I got is a gorgeous, sort of like, it's a really classy bodycon dress. So it's black and white, of course, and it just is about knee length and it's just the pencil sort of shape. But I love how the colours are on this, like the way they like outline the black with the white. It's so slimming and I just love the high neck. And then it has a little button at the back. So really love this dress. It's a really thick fabric. It's just lovely. This is a very like work appropriate dress with like a jacket or something. So no, I think I'm going to get a lot of wear out of this one. I really just love the style of it. It's perfect. So this is how it fits, and it's just such a sweet neckline. It's very classy. I love the black and white. I think it looks so nice being like outlined in a way. So really love that. I love the back of it with the little button there. When my hair is all down and mad, it does like have a tendency to hook around that button, but it's fine because it just means I have to wear my hair up or in plaits. But I think that looks nice with it. So it really accentuates the waist being like the black and the white and the way it like silhouettes. So I love that. And then the actual dress, it's just above the knee sort of height. It's a very like elegant dress. I love the fit of it. It's just a really safe option for a lot of things. So I think I could wear this to like work or out to dinner or even just like out and about. Like, it's something I would definitely wear, and it's like quite a thick material. So I am in love with this dress. So let me know what you think, but 10 out of 10 for me. The next thing I got is also a dress, and I cannot wait to wear this. Like, this is definitely a summer maxi dress, but it just looks like this. So it's a bandeau style, and then it's just got this green like tropical print all the way down, and it is like a floor length mermaid dress. Like, can you see? I'm really bad at showing you the items before I put them on. Nightmare. But it's made out of that really like soft stretchy fabric, just like the play suit you saw earlier. So can't wait to wear this one, and hopefully it'll fit. I can't see why it won't. Like, in my last Hot Miami Styles haul, I tried on basically this exact dress but in a different fabric, and I wear it all the time. So really excited to try this one. This is how it fits, and I absolutely love the sweetheart neckline and how it sort of like knots into the middle. I also really love this gap here. It makes it look like a two-piece from the front, in my opinion. But then the back of it is an all-in-one dress, so really love that. And I love the print of it. It is like just so nice. It's like green and tropical, and oh, I just love it. And it is a floor-length dress, so it is like mermaid style all the way down, which is just a really flattering fit for curves. And oh, I just love it. I literally cannot wait to wear this. Like, it's going to be so nice. So I can see myself wearing this maybe in the winter, but with like a jacket and wedges, only for like dinners out. But I just can't wait for summer to hit or for a holiday to come about, so I can actually get some proper wear out of it. But love this one so much. So the next thing I got is a pair of jogging bottoms. So these are just really cute, like corseted waist, sort of like camo print jogging bottoms. That is exactly what they are. So they don't look very long, and they just have this sort of thing at the bottom, which I'll probably fold up. So they're like cropped jogging bottoms, but I just really like the print, and I thought this is quite a cool thing because it means they should be quite nice and fitting to my waist. So we'll see what these fit like. They're lovely and stretchy. Thought they came with a matching top, but that's my bad because I checked their website and you buy them separately, so that's just me being a bit stupid. But really, really like the design of the waist on these. I think they'll be really flattering to a curvy figure, so we'll give these a go. This is how they fit, and I really love the corset thing at the top. I haven't had to adjust it at all, but if I want to make them tighter, I can just redo that. Really like the pockets and the fit of them. Nothing's like, they're not overstretched anywhere, they just fit nice. And then the base of them, they're sort of like, so they've just got like a long bit here, which I guess I can either fold up or just leave as it is, whatever I sort of fancy. Don't know, I don't mind it down, but I think I prefer it rolled up actually. But no, they're just really comfy, and I love the pockets. Like, so many of my jeans don't have any front pockets, so to have like a nice pair of trackies that has pockets is something I don't really have, because even my like sport leggings, they don't really have front pockets, because I guess if you fill them up they'll just look really funny being like tight fitted leggings. So really, really love these. I think they're a really nice fit. They're not overstretched anywhere on me, so if you want a nice fitting pair of army trackies, like, definitely check the links below, because they have nailed it, Hot Miami Styles. Like, I am in love with these, so really, really love these ones. Now, I did get another pair of trousers, and I don't know what drew me to these, but I think I'm in love with them, but I can't tell if I really, really love them or really hate them, but there's only one way to find out, and that is when I put them on. So they are these rhinestone stripy, I don't even know what to call these, like, are they party trousers, pyjama bottoms? Like, they probably won't be very comfortable as pyjama bottoms. These are literally stone studs, but they're very stretchy. I think they're going to fit quite nice. So I got these in a size small, and on the model I thought they were like sheer, like mesh sort of thing, so I thought they'd be really cute as like a bikini cover up, and they were just something a bit wild, to be honest. Like, I just loved the colour of them. Like, I really, really like this green, like, sequin iridescent sort of thing. But they look pretty solid. Like, they're not mesh at all, so maybe I got mistaken on that one. But I'll go pop them on and we'll see if I can work these, which I really, really hope I can, because they're so cool. But I'll only keep them if I can rock them. But now I'll go pop them on. So this is how they fit, and I am in love with them. So they are covered in rhinestones, and they're just so sassy. Like, why have I not owned trousers like this before? So I love the fact they're like stripy and like all done up. Oh, I just love everything about them. Only thing I'm not sure on is on the bum, they sort of like, the rhinestones stop. So it's just where the seam is, but they literally just like look a bit funny. So, sorry, I just stepped on the bag they came in. So they sort of look like I'm like overstretching them there, but it's just where the seam starts and finishes. So I don't know whether to wear them back to front, because I definitely have them on the right way. Like, there's all the tags. But they are sassy. Like, I love these. And to be fair, I have a mermaid themed party in like a few weeks, so these are going to be perfect for that, because I know they're not very mermaidy, but they're sequins and they're shiny, and to me that's what a mermaid would wear, so I'm going to wear them to that. But they're so funky. Like, these will just be my house trackies. Like, I'll just wear these around the house, because why not? So I am loving these. Next items I'm going to show you are bodysuits, and the first one is amazing. It is this sequin mesh bodysuit, and I just love it. The bottom of it looks like, I'm pretty sure it's a thong base, which is perfect because it means I can wear them with skirts and jeans and not worry about having the lines. So love that. The actual body is completely sheer. Like, it is gorgeous, and I'm pretty sure it doesn't look like the sequins are actually, there's no like dense sequins where they need to be, so I definitely think, like, you know, a nice black boob tube underneath or a black bra would be ideal, or a nude bra, whatever you fancy. But I think this is going to look stunning on. Because it's covered in sequins, my hair is going to have to go up because it's going to hook around these like nothing, but I think that'll be such a sassy look, like a really high-necked sequin bodysuit with like some sort of bun going on. So really, really love this one. Can't wait to see how it looks. Wow is all I can say about this one. I am obsessing over this. Like, it is just so, it's just so lovely. I love the neckline, the detailing. Only thing I would say, my hair catches these sequins like nothing, even with it in plaits. So this would definitely be a look I'd want like a high bun for or something like that. Like I said before, but I thought plaits would be a better idea. So it just looks like this, and it is stunning. Like, this will look so nice with skirts like this, or even like jeans, shorts, whatever I fancy. Like, this will dress up any outfit, so I'm just in love with it. So I am just wearing a bandeau underneath. I just think it looks nice having the panel of black underneath, but you could wear it with like anything basically, whatever you fancy. So it might look nice with something nude underneath, so it does look sheer all the way, but I think I'll wear it like this. Like, oh, I love the detailing on it, like the way it goes down, like, oh, love this. Like, this is just stunning. I can't wait to wear this. This is going to be the next thing I wear out for sure. Ignore the little pink thing, it's because this skirt is actually like really, really long, so it's already at my knees, but I folded it over like 3 times. So it was just to give an idea of what it looks like, but look at that. And then it does go into like, so as soon as the sequins finish, it goes into like a normal pair of pants, so it's really comfortable. You don't have to worry about sequins down there, which just isn't a good idea. So love this. Wow. Definitely this is one of my favourite things from this haul, I think. Just obsessing over it. So that's this one. Next bodysuit I'm going to show you is also more of like a dressy up one, I think. And it's this high-necked sort of ribbed knitted bodysuit, but it's completely backless, which is ideal because what I wanted it for is to wear like my pretty bras with, because I've got loads of bras that have like really intricate backs, like lace detailing, straps, that sort of thing. And I thought this being plain back would be perfect to wear those with, because like you will just see like the back design, and then from the front it's like subtle, and then I'll turn around and I'll be like, ooh, what's under there? So really, really love this. I think it will work perfectly, and it is a thong back as well, so I'll be able to wear it with skirts, jeans, the whole shebang. So hopefully this works. I'll go try it on now with one of the bras I bought it for, and we'll see if it works. What it looks like, and I have made a boo-boo that I haven't thought about, is these are like, so it's a really pretty bra with a really pretty back, but it has straps, doesn't it? And this top is a very much a narrow top, and oh my, like, if I wasn't wearing a bra, like, look at where this would cut. Like, just not very safe, is it? So I'm definitely going to have to wear this with like intricate strapless bras, or even just like a strapless bra and a bandeau, I think could be really cute. But I'm not sure on it, like, it doesn't quite look right like this, I don't think. Like, you can literally just see, like, you can see like a good half of the cup of the bra. Like, that wasn't what I wanted. I wanted people to be able to see the back of it, so I think I've made a boo-boo in thinking what this bodysuit would work as, but I mean, it's a really nice bodysuit, really lovely and stretchy, just doesn't do what I was hoping. But it is a thong back, so it doesn't show through tight skirts or jeans, so if you have the boobs or the curves to work this with nothing underneath, like, by all means do it. It will look so hot, but I just can't do it. Like, the bra just looks I'm gonna try it. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. I'm gonna try it with a strapless bra and a bandeau, and we'll see if we can make this work. So with a bandeau, I think it works really well. I think it makes it looks like it's part of the top. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if I can find, you can get like really nice lace bandeaus or bandeaus with like straps going across the back, so I can still have intricate back designs. I just can't wear my fancy back bras, but I mean, I just didn't think about this neckline, like, that's my bad. But I kind of like it like this. I think it looks cute with the black skirt. I don't know, let me know what you think about this one, and how you would wear it. But yeah, I think this this definitely looks better than it did beforehand, but that's this one. The last thing I got is this grey ribbed bodysuit. Now, I got this just for casual wear. I thought I get so many like party dresses and dressed up outfits. I was like, I need something to just wear with jeans casually to uni, and this looked really cute on the model. So it's just sort of like a charcoal grey. I think it'll just fit quite nice, and then on the sleeves it just has this like button detailing. So it's just simple, but I think it will work with blue jeans, black jeans, pretty much all my jeans, I'm hoping. So we'll give this a go. I think, let's have a look, is it a thong back? Hot Miami Styles is normally really good at doing thong backs, so it looks like it is, but it does look quite, it's got like quite a long body to it. I hope it fits, because I'm only little, but we'll give it a go. This is how it fits, and I absolutely love this one. I think in the winter when it gets a bit colder, this sort of style is just perfect to wear with jeans and that sort of thing. I have paired it with the skirt, and it fits absolutely fine. It's a thong back, so it doesn't show through, which is great. Only thing I would say is if you don't wear high-waisted jeans or skirts, like, the legs sit above, like, in line with my belly button, so they are really high-legged, but the body actually fits great. It's not too big at all, so I don't mind that too much because I always wear high-waisted jeans. But if you're a low-waisted kind of gal, I would potentially steer clear of this one unless you like having the skin just here on show, but might be a style you like, I don't know. But love the buttons, just really like this one. It's just a really sleek sort of look. It's just a really safe option to have in your wardrobe, so loving this. So that's all I got for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the items, whether there was any that were your favourites or some that you're like, Emma, you need to return those. I'll be interested to hear your thoughts. Apart from that, I'll link all the stuff I got in the description box below. I'll also link my social media, like my Instagram, and then if you haven't already, I do have a Patreon where I post like some extra videos and pictures if that interests you, but I'll let you guys have a bit of an explore. I've also got a second channel which is all about the lovely rocks behind me and technically the dinosaurs as well, so if that interests you, go check that out also. But there'll be like a picture of it here that you can just click the subscribe button to. It's MGems. But thank you for watching. That is today's video, and I'll see you guys next time.